Number 1. Which one of these facts aren't true for file cabinet data storage? A. Easily getting hacked and infiltrated by hackers. The use of the databases in the business makes it easier for customers. Which one of these facts are an example of the use of basis data that is used to make the customer's experience better? B. Parents can see the student's score online. Number 3. The main components that are primitive in relation in between two tables in basis data are A, 1, and 2. Number 4. Which one of these aren't impacts in the concept of basis data relational is B. Data is easily doubled. Number 5. The use of architecture triple level makes it so the process of taking care of base data is easier. The fact that's not correct about the triple level architecture is E. The change of internal scheming won't affect users. Number 6. The encryption technique is a method used to keep data safe. In the third architectural level, that method can be found on A. Internal. Number 7. In a basis data system in a supermarket, if a customer buys 10 pieces of soap from branded X, the soap will immediately go down by 10. The lowering of the stock is done automatically by a basis data object that's called the trigger. Number 8. On a basis data system in a bank, each account that opens will add a new database in the database. The programming language in SQL that is used to add data is called the DML. Number 9. A student has these datas: name, gender, birth date, phone, and a state. When these datas are kept in the basis data, what's gonna happen is B. The birth date is gonna become an attribute. Number 10. The DBMS has multiple purposes. One of those can stop someone from changing data before another person is done with their transaction. This feature is called C. Concurrency Control System. Number 1. Why is basis data relational better than the flat file? Basis data relational is able to keep data and store data in between multiple different databases and combine them into one base containing them all, while a flat file only has one singular one. Number 2. Explain the difference between the external level and the conceptual level in the triple-layered architectural level. The external level is used to draw pieces of basis data that is connected with the data shown to each user, while the conceptual level is used to draw types of data that's kept inside the databases with combining and in between data. Number 3. Explain the uses that is owned by DBMS that's connected with safety and data integrity. DBMS is filled with identification system that makes sure that data can only be accessed by people that are supposed to access with access. Other than that, DBMS also has an encryption system which raises the safety of the data, either when sent through network or kept Number 4, explain why system usage of basis data inside of an organization gives more use for users in customer organization. For example, in a supermarket, the item data used by a cashier when customing to customers in their buying, the data selling can then be seen and become information for managers. Like where is more very useful, the types of data that is very when shows it when sold, the time that's sold, how many is sold, the, until the highest and the rest. Number 5, what is record, cell, column, and line? A record is data that is stored inside of a cell that is inside of a table. A cell is a place that is filled with data inside of a table. A column is a compilation of cells in the horizontal order in a table. A line is a line of cells in a vertical order in a table.